Google is all set to shake up the Android flagship market with its Pixel 10 series, and the Pixel 10 Pro XL is emerging as the top-tier powerhouse. Leaks suggest this model will pack wireless charging, Wi-Fi 6E, satellite connectivity, and advanced smart home integration through Thread and Ultra-Wideband (UWB) support, making it one of Google's most ambitious smartphone upgrades to date. Battery and daily power performance. Rumors indicate the Pro XL will boast the largest battery in the Pixel 10 lineup, likely offering all-day performance for heavy users and professionals. With software optimizations and AI-assisted power management, users can expect reduced standby drain and better multitasking endurance, even during gaming or hotspot use. Globe with Meridian's smart connectivity breakthroughs. Google is stepping beyond traditional cellular tech with satellite connectivity, enabling emergency messaging in remote areas. Samsung modem integration for faster network coverage in weak signal zones. Wi-Fi 6E support for high-speed access and stable connections across large homes or office spaces. These upgrades allow Pixel 10 users to stay connected whether indoors, in transit, or completely off-grid. Brain smart home integration, Thread plus UWB in action. With Thread protocol and ultra-wideband (UWB) tech on board, the Pixel 10 Pro XL is designed to become the centerpiece of your connected ecosystem. Controls smart lighting, thermostats, and appliances with reduced latency. Tap to sync devices and unlock ultra-precise location tracking. Future-proof compatibility with next-gen smart accessories. For smart home enthusiasts, this model promises next-level interactivity across every room. Money-bag pricing strategy and market position. Despite its flagship status, Google reportedly plans to keep pricing competitive. Affordable base model, Pixel 10 with core essentials. Pro model for balanced users. Pro XL packed with bleeding-edge features for advanced consumers. This three-tier strategy helps Google capture a wider audience, from value seekers to tech-forward professionals. Compass final take. The Pixel 10 Pro XL isn't just another annual update, it's a future-ready device built for connectivity, efficiency, and lifestyle integration. Whether you're streaming, gaming, working remotely, or controlling your smart home, this phone is designed to be your dependable digital companion in 2025 and beyond.